If your splits look like this right now, but you want them to look like this, then go ahead and take my 30 days get your split challenge. All it is 30 days, foundation to intermediate stretches. It will work your flexibility and strength. We start tomorrow, 2nd of January. Hello and welcome to the 30 days get your split challenge. As someone who got their split 11 years ago and has never lost it, I would like to say that the key factor to getting your split right is your foundational stretches. First of all, we'll do some assessments, starting with this seated forward. You want to just sit down and stretch out your hands. It may not get to your toe, but wherever you get to and you see that is your limit, just take a picture. So that's your first assessment. You take that picture there. Second pose, you're lying down. You can either extend the other ground knee, or you leave it bent like this. So you also take a picture here. Make sure that the leg you are holding, the knee is completely straight. So your hand may not even get to it, but just take that picture and keep it for the records. You want to always make sure you're doing it on both sides, because one side may obviously be more flexible than the other side. For your third assessment, get into your actual split and get a picture. So you may be here right now or even lower, wherever it is that you are as at today, day one. Get that picture and keep it aside. Always make sure you do both sides to help you know your most flexible side, because one side will usually be more flexible than the other side. Now that we are done with assessment, let's go into today's stretch. Wide leg forward fold. Start by sitting down on your mat and then take your legs wide apart. Then you just lean forward with your upper body. Depending on your hamstrings and hip flexor flexibility, your elbow might be on the ground or your palm. Wherever you find yourself, you remain there for 1 minute. Okay, I had to speed up this video because I was here for a really long time. You're here for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can decide to come up, get water, catch a break, grab a book, see a movie, but you're supposed to be here for 10 minutes, 10 active minutes. So you're not counting your rest time. You're just counting only the actual minutes spent in your wide leg forward fold. So at the end of 10 minutes, you should be done with today's stretch. Try to do it correctly and in the right form. Remember that patience and also mastering a stretch routine are keys to getting your split right. After you're done with this, you're done with day one. And then I'll catch you tomorrow for day 2. You can leave questions in the comment section. Thank you. Hello everyone, I've been getting a couple of messages about how to join the challenge. It's really simple. You just have to follow me on my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post the stretches and the tips every day for the 30 days get your split challenge. So this is what we did yesterday. Yesterday was day 1. But today, day 2, we're doing something very similar. Still in your wide leg forward fold. You just want to go stretch out on one leg and hold this for 1 minute. And then you do the other side for another minute. So as usual, it could be boring, but you could get a book and read or see a movie or something. Then after 1 minute, of course, you can take a break, drink water, and then you come back to it. So you'll be doing this 5 times on each side. So 1 minute 5 times on the right leg, 1 minute 5 times on the other leg. Yeah. When you're done with that, which is another 10 minutes for today, then you should be done for day 2. Again, you take a picture of your split wherever you're at. Take a picture of the right leg and then take a picture of the left leg, and you're done with day 2. Catch you tomorrow for day 3. Bye. days get your splits challenge. So for day 5, what we're just simply doing is combining the stretches that we did for day 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll do this every 5 days. So on day 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, we'll just combine the stretches that we've done the 4 days before. So the reason for this is to get the muscles used to these stretches and also to really deepen the stretches. So for today, day 5, this is what we did for day 1, this is what we did for day 2, day 3, and day 4. So it will take you about 10 minutes for each of the stretches, which is 40, but it will take the rest time and everything, give or take, you should really round up day 5 in an hour. And when you are done with all of this, then you're done for day 5. It's really simple. I'll catch you tomorrow for day 6. Thank you for watching. Bye. Welcome to day 7 of the 30 days Get Your Splits challenge. We're finally moving from static to dynamic stretches. Just use a timer and do the stretch for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, repeat 5 times. So that means you're doing 6 rounds of this, and when you're done with the 6 rounds, day 7 is done. I'll catch you tomorrow for day 8. Bye. For day 12, we're doing the side lunge pulses, 30 seconds on each side. We're doing this 5 times. So you can either do it without the hands on the ground, but if you're looking for more depth, do it with the hands on the ground. See you tomorrow for day 13. Bye.
Hip hop and high life. Hip hop and high life.
Hilos and high life.
Hip hop and high life.
Come before you confuse me. They say you're singing hilos. What are you singing? They say
hip hop and high life.
You are training pick up.
Hip hop, hip hop.
Hip hop. Afro.
Yes, sir.
Get the afro.
Until I see your face, until I overflow. My worship will not stop, my prayer will not end.
I'm a hip hop and all life. Hip hop and all life.
Hilos and high life.
Hip hop and all life.
Come before you confuse me. They say you're singing hilos. What are you singing? They say
Hip hop and all life.
you're trading pick up.
Hip hop. Hip hop.
Hip hop.
Afro.
Afro.
Yes, sir.
Take the buffalo.
I'm a hip hop and all life. Hip hop and all life.
Hilos and high life.
Hip hop and all life.
Come before you confuse me. They say you're singing hilos.